Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Did you ever see my Seahawks shoes?
Today, no I haven't. I'm going to be making mini slime. So, come in. I'll be right back.
This kind?
Oh yeah, I saw your Seahawks shoes before.
And I have this kind. It's where it's super shiny. Where did I put them? Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Yeah, a little Seahawks trim on.
If you took the Seahawks charm off and you made blue and green slime, like blue slime with green glitter and green slime with blue glitter.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah, blue and green.
So I'll show you the containers I used.
Seahawks little charms in it. Like, they blue slime and put green charms in it, and green slime and put blue charms in it. And silver, white.
The glitter. They didn't take the glitter
Like that.
Yellow Orbeez.
Where's another t-shirt?
Shady
Oh, I think there was
pink.
t-shirts in here. I think I put on my summer t-shirts. This is like squishing out the door already. I don't think that shirt's good to...
Let me see.
It's like too
Ooh.
long and narrow this way. Weirdly enough.
Weirdly enough. So now we have these.
Where's the trucker's widow shirt? I can wear that.
Yeah.
Hey, these could be worn in... I don't know if they could be worn out in public. Hey, I have shorts. As soon as I have some tan on my leg, I'm going to wear some. That's what I'm going to do. What's this? Promote freedom. This is when Austin got...
Proud mom of a Marine.
U.S. Marine.
And we have
Austin
two.
Rue. Oh, I didn't say Austin Rue on it. Should have.
Wait, what's his name?
Austin Tanner. But I called him Austin Rue. Here's my Rue boy.
That's my uncle. So, we have two new guests on the show.
Huh?
And the first one is
Oh, yeah, I didn't.
this one.
We're going to get in the shower first.
So, this is the big Chase that looked like my dog.
Hey, more shorts.
And the little Chase is in the living room.
Even more shorts. Got even more and even more and even more. Okay, so I don't have any t-shirts.
How are you?
That's the problem with my wardrobe.
Your wardrobe.
My ensemble.
So I'm going to put
These are all
him in the back.
warm shirts for warm season. And scrubs. Don't need scrubs.
Kind of see his face.
Ouch!
You okay?
Bit my finger. It did.
And so this is the bowl I'm going to be using. It's not really a bowl. It's from this battery thing. Just turn off the other stuff. So we are going to be making the slime. So the first thing we need to add is the glue.
Let me show you what it's all about. I'm gonna let it out. I'm gonna let it out.
Come out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got all the glue I could get in there in the bowl. So I need the bowl. Now we're going to add some glitter. That looks like a lot of glitter, but I don't think it will be too much. I'll be right back. Grandma, can I go to the bathroom really quick?
Oh my god. Oh my god, this phone is pissing me off.
Sorry about that, guys. I might have taken a couple minutes, but I had to get more shaving cream. So we're gonna put that into our mixture. If it will go in. Get glitter on it. Get off of me. There. I'm gonna be using this as a mixer. So let's mix this all up. I have to get a little bit more glitter on it because you can't see the glitter as much. That is a lot of glitter. I added too much. JK, there's no such thing as too much glitter. That's a lot though. Okay, gotta mix it up now. Homer, what you doing, boy? Whoa, might need a new mixer. So now we're going to start adding the activator. Well, actually, after we add this. Almost forgot about it. Phineas and Ferb is playing. Yeah, I can't actually get it out. Come on, glitter mix. So that's what it looks like so far. We are going to activate it. Yes, I got it off the wall. So I need to add it little by little. Already starting to activate. It's a very pretty slime. Just very sticky. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and press the notification bell to never miss one of my videos again. So I hope you enjoyed and bye!